So if you want to access the student ID numbers to either identify two or more students with the same name or to file certain reports like grade change, you can go to I3 and access them there. But within My Seneca or Blackboard, this is what you can do. You go to any one course, click on Gradebook, and over on the right, click the download button. And you want the full gradebook, and just select all the items, it doesn't matter, and then click download. When you download, it should open up down at the bottom here, or it will be in your downloads folder. So I just opened up the Excel file and I hid some of the information for this particular class. What you'll see is a column with last name, first name, username, and their student ID numbers. You also have last access and all the other grades. While we're here though, I want to show you one more trick. I'm just going to insert a new column here, and I'll call this email. So there is a separate video for this, but I thought I'd show it to you here while we're here. Is if you do equal sign and then click on the first username, type in the and symbol, quotation, at myseneca.ca, quotation, you'll actually get the full email address of that student. So if you press enter, you'll actually get the full email address of the student, including at mySeneca, and I'll just show that to you right there, okay? So if I copy this down, just grab the bottom right corner all the way, you'll get every email address. So what I'm going to do now is copy up here, and then go to the paste option, and use this paste values, and that'll give you exact email addresses.